Hi guys and girls, JD Cap 26 here, just do the tips and fairs and hobbies, and we're painting this little tank, and we just did the tracks on it. So let's get some silver in here. Remember, your enamels can run, so be careful how much you use. Let's do the little wheels here, and here like this. I'm just barely touching it with the brush, and it's grabbing onto the plastic nicely. Yeah, like that. I only dip the brush maybe once. And turn it over. This side. Gotta be careful how you handle it. So I'm handling it by the barrel. Not the best thing to do. Let's take another dip of paint here. It's way down in there. And go over here. I don't think I'm gonna do in between. I think I may leave that blue, I don't know. I'd have to look and see what it looks like on a real tank. I'm not sure the color, just thinking about it. So just touching the wheels here, like this. Get this side a little bit better. Okay, so there's the silver. The black is dry already, so we gotta clean the brush. So we got some, that's gray. Gotta look for some acetone here. Dip the brush in the acetone. Try to change your acetone once it gets really super dark. And you know you need to change it. Just go in there like that. And dip it in the water, neutralize it. Put it to the side. Yeah, so we're done with the silver right now. And we'll put that to the side that we used that. What color are we gonna make the tank? Army tanks are green, right? So let's find some green paint. Let's look for a green tray. I don't know, I have one here. I may have some paint already ready for it. I don't know. We'll see. You could even make this tank the size of the army guys the plastic army guys used to buy in a big bag. Remember those? I don't know if you remember those or not, but you can buy army guys still, maybe, if you look online. And make these tanks big. Like, you can make them like this big, on your printer. So this is going to be tough. Let's get the green here. Get the brush with some green on it. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see it go on, the paint go on. Of course, that top thing right there is silver. These little things are silver. These things right here are silver. Do the sides. That, So if you overpaint, say, gee, I got paint where I'm not supposed to, don't worry about it. You really don't have to worry about it. You can let it dry. This is a secret. Let it dry. and then paint over it. Usually, you know, with little luck, it'll cover. So we're just doing this green. These are fun little things to do. You know, it may not be a huge old model to make, but you know, for a little model, kind of fun, you know. I'm not into really painting those, I don't know what they call them, war characters. I know they play them on a game board. I don't even know how the game goes or anything, but they paint those warlord things or whatever they're called. I have no idea. I have no idea what they are. They're little monster things and trolls and this and that, and you know, they do a lot of small painting, you know. See, like, sorry, I'm out of focus here. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, let's do the barrel here. The barrel is a toothpick, and I went with it because I broke the real barrel that you 3D print. You got to be careful with those barrels when you print them out. Let's do this front here, right here. This is just a Wicked color green paint we're using. Use any kind of paint you want. There's all kinds of makes and models of paint, but I like the Wicked colors. I really do. What do you think we should make these hatches? I think we should make them black. The hatches. I'm gonna make those black, I think. Or they could be silver. I think this stuff, the luggage here, I don't know, luggage could be, it's not the luggage, the cans, the gas cans. I don't know, should I make those red? Let's see. I'm gonna put the green away for now. We'll use these bags. It'll keep it for a while, you know. Let's see. I don't know. I know I gotta do this black along here for the tread. Just gotta do that again. We're gonna let it dry for now, but we're gonna add silver here and then finish it with black. So for now, that's what I'm gonna do on this tank. So I thank you for watching. I hope you have a great day. God bless you always. And please rate and subscribe and give the thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.